eternally. Feeling on my own again, reaching out to hold your hand. I wanna be alone with you. Can I be alone? Can I be alone with you? If you can, take my hand. I promise. I wake from my slumber. I wish I could call you up. Miss how you'd put your love on me.
Let's get into these fits. So this first fit is just plain biker shorts and a denim plain shirt. And literally, even with this, there's so many ways that you can switch it up. Like if you have a plaid shirt, you can wear that. If you have like black trainers, you can wear that. Or if you have a plaid shirt that matches some trainers that you have, then that's like a whole other fit that you can work with. There's so many variations to this simple casual outfit, but this is like me going out on a summer day, like me going to the park, just something simple. Denim shirts you can literally find anywhere. I think I got this one from Gap a while back, and the biker shorts I made myself. So if you do want to see a tutorial on that, then let me know and I'll get a video out. So I didn't really include the shoe deets for most of these outfits because basically I need to step up my shoe game. But moving on, like you can literally wear this with black trainers or whatever kind of trainers or flats that you want to wear it with. This outfit is definitely me. It's like casual but not sporty casual. It's like one of those outfits that you can dress up with heels or like some cute kind of strappy flats if you want to, or you can dress it down with like trainers. I've paired this with a leather jacket, but also I think this outfit would also look really good if you wore like a blazer with it as well. Yeah, love this. Really versatile, really cute. This outfit is given it's summer and I want to go to brunch, literally. But it's also given that grown woman, like I may or may not have kids, you never know. Ooh child. So moving on. The pants are actually from Missy Empire and it's part of a lounge set. I think the lounge set was like £24 in total. The tote bag is from Primark, and literally with the shoes I wore this with flats that were off-white. If I were to wear this properly and style it properly, I'd probably wear it with like monochrome, so maybe like black sandals or something like that. I think out of the four, this is definitely like my favorite outfit. This was probably my least favorite outfit just because the skirt was a bit too big for me. I worn it with black, but if I were to style this like fully or give like tips on styling, I'd probably wear it with like a pop of colours, like a royal blue bag and like shoes to match, or like neon or something like that to give it more of a pop of colour. But yeah, this is definitely like a classic and you can switch it up. You can't go wrong with full black, you actually can't. So that is it for this video guys. Let me know in the comments which fit was your favourite. Make sure you like, make sure you subscribe, and make sure you tap that bell notification so you don't miss my next upload. Bye guys.